Did you know the way you charge your phone can impact its lifespan and your electricity bills? Indeed, a little bit of knowledge and a few tweaks to your charging habits can make a world of difference. So buckle up, because today we're unraveling the mystery behind charging your phone the right way. First things first, let's debunk a common myth. Charging your phone to 100% and draining it to zero isn't the best practice. In fact, it can be quite detrimental to your phone's battery health. Modern phone batteries operate on a precise number of charge cycles, and constantly pushing them to their limits can shorten their lifespan. So, what is the optimal charging range? The golden rule is to keep your battery between 20 and 80%. This range is the sweet spot where your battery feels most comfortable and experiences the least amount of stress. Now you might wonder, what if I'm not going to use my phone for a while? Should I fully charge it and then switch it off? The answer is no. If you're planning to put your phone away for a while, charge it to around 50% and then turn it off. This level of charge is the healthiest for a lithium-ion battery, and you can store your phone for months with minimal damage. But remember, batteries like to be used, so don't forget to turn on your phone every once in a while and top off the battery. This will help maintain its health and longevity. In summary, the correct way to charge your phone can be broken down into a few simple steps. First, aim to keep your battery between 20 and 80%. Second, if you plan to stop using your phone for a while, charge it to 50% and turn it off. Last but not least, turn on your phone occasionally to keep the battery active. By following these steps, not only will you prolong the lifespan of your phone's battery, but you'll also save on your electricity bills. It's a win-win situation. So, the next time you plug in your phone, remember these tips and give your phone the care it deserves.